In a sunny Madrid kitchen, Patatas Bravas sizzle as a local chef recalls tapas nights that ended with laughter. A street vendor explains the sauce blends tomatoes, peppers, garlic, and smoky paprika, turning humble potatoes into community glue. For home cooks, diced potatoes fry until crisp, mix a bright tomato alioli, then drench with paprika oil. An elder remembers neighbors swapping stories over bowls, teaching patience and shared heat that season the dish. The camera captures golden edges and bold colors as Patatas Bravas truly unites street and home.